called Black Rose. It's directed by Sampath Nandi, who is one of the most celebrated filmmaker in South.
And one of my best friend, she only told me that, why don't you just get this thing done?
We just laugh. We want to laugh. She is one of the
fan ban karo na.
हाँ, she's one of the best entertainer according to me, and I'm a very big fan of Rakhi Sawant. Wow.
One of the dash, like one of the entertainer or one of the entertainers, one of the fruit or one of the fruits. See, when you say one of, you are referring to one from a group. Hence, the group must be plural. Alright? Let's say I'm saying one of the soldiers died. Okay? Now, when I'm saying one, it means I'm talking about one from many. One of the. Alright? One from this. One of the soldiers died. I'm talking about this whole group, this whole army. One of the soldiers died, right? One of the books from the library I took and read. All right, again, I'm talking about one out of many. The simple logic being when you say one of, okay, the noun that follows must always be plural. Just remember this, okay? One of the sweatshirts, one of the spectacles, or one of the bags that I have is really, vibrant in color. So it must be plural. The noun must be plural because you're picking one out of many. But all that you must remember is whenever we are talking about one of the, okay, it should be plural. One of the flowers, one of the chocolates, all right, one of the houses. Yes. Now let's look at this one. One of the entertainer is here. It's incorrect. One of the entertainers is here. All right. This one of my friend is coming. Okay. The correct one, of course, will be one of my friends is coming. Like I have, let's say, 50, hundreds of friends, and out of those 100, one is coming. Okay, I hope you're able to understand the logic. So one of my friends is coming. One of the apple is rotten. So let's say I had this whole, bunch of apple, and out of those 12, one was rotten. So I'll say one of the apples is rotten. Yes, I hope you're able to understand this. And now I'm going to give you some statements. All that you have to do is you have to pick the right option, okay? One of the book is lost, or one of the books is lost. Which one is correct? Well done. I hope you chose the second one. One of the books is lost, right? The next one is she is one of the dancers. All right, or she's one of the dancer. Good job. I hope you chose this one, which is she's one of the dancers. Yes. The third one being this one, which is one of the child is crying, or one of the children is crying. Excellent. I hope you chose the plural one. What's the plural of child? It's not childs or children's, but it is children. So one of the children is crying. Yes? Great. I hope you understand that how to use this phrase, which is one of the, okay? One of the bottles, one of the parents was missing from the PTM, etc. Yes? Great.